How to make money with Udemy? Want to turn your knowledge into income? Here's how to make money with Udemy. First, create an instructor account and choose a topic you're skilled in, like coding, business, design, or personal development. Focus on something people are actively searching for. Next, build a high-quality course. Plan your lessons, keep them clear and structured, and make sure your audio is clean. You don't need expensive gear, just make sure your content is easy to follow and valuable. On Udemy, you earn money every time someone buys your course. Pricing can vary, but Udemy often runs promotions that help bring in more students. To boost your sales, create a strong course title, thumbnail, and description. These make a huge difference in getting clicks. You can also promote your course through social media, YouTube, or your own audience to increase your earnings. The key is to create helpful, in-demand content and keep improving over time. One good course can generate passive income for months or even years. Start simple, publish your first course, and build from there.